Welcome to Kids Learning Lab, a learning podcast made just for kids. Do you want to play a game about dinosaurs? If you do, check out the Kids Learning Lab website and look at the home page. You can't miss it. Our website is at kidslearninglab.weebly.com. Weebly. Now, time for today's episode, which might be one of your favorites, dinosaurs. Now, how do we know dinosaurs existed? Well, that's all because of fossils. Fossils are the dead bodies of dinosaurs that we can dig up. From there, we can make guesses about what the dinosaur did. The skull is the most important part. For example, if the dinosaur's teeth were flat and big, we would guess it was a vegetarian. Dinosaurs who ate veggies usually had flat teeth that were strong for chomping up plants. Meat-eating dinosaurs usually had sharp, pointy teeth. They needed these for eating other dinosaurs or eating small animals. Now, I have a question for you. Do you know how the dinosaurs went extinct? Hint: extinct means not existing anymore. Some of you might know the answer. If you don't, that's okay. A lot of people are still wondering how it happened, but they do have some ideas. Idea 1. A meteor hit Earth off the coast of Mexico and created so much smoke that the sun was covered. Before we talk about this, I just thought of a fun fact. Did you know every type of energy comes from the sun? For example, plants need light from the sun, and a lot of people eat plants. Even if you eat meat, the meat that you eat was alive once, and those animals still had to eat plants, which got energy from the sun. Windmills and wind turbines still got energy from the sun, believe it or not. Wind is actually what happens when hot air rises up, because hot stuff always rises, and cold air takes its place. And the reason the hot air is hot is because of the sun. Solar panels get energy from the sun, and water power is still going because of rain, which is also powered by the sun. You can check out our water cycle episode, our solar system episode, our comet episode, our moon episode, our aurora episode, and our gravity episode for more on that. Okay, that was a lot. Back to the idea that a meteor hit Earth and created smoke to block the sun. This is an idea that 70 to 90% of people believe. A meteoroid is a piece of rock that is flying through outer space. When it enters our atmosphere, it is a meteor. Usually the rocks burn up in our atmosphere. Sometimes the rocks survive and they land on our surface. Don't worry, a meteorite is very unlikely to hit you. This specific meteorite contained iridium, and when it landed, lots of ash and smoke covered the sun. Remember like 45 seconds ago when we were talking about how every energy is from the sun? Well, all of the dinosaurs' energy was also from the sun. So, they died. Idea 2, a volcano. Some people, 5 to 10%, said that the smoke and ash was still present, but it was from a volcano, not a meteor. This could be possible, since scientists have found a large field full of ash and igneous rock in West India. Check out our rock cycle episode for more on types of rock, like igneous. Anyways, this field could mean a volcano wiped out the dinosaurs. Idea 3, a disease. Very few people, but some, believe it was a disease that killed the dinosaurs. There's very few evidence about this, but it could be possible. If you don't know what a disease is, it's when a species, for example dinosaurs, gets sick because of those tiny little germs in your body. Thanks for listening to this episode of Kids Learning Lab. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you want to play games and more, visit our website at kidslearninglab.weebly.com. I also added a new dinosaur game as well as a chocolate game that you can play on our website. Tune in next time for Kids Learning Lab. The next one is going to be about how all your muscles and bones work together with your blood and lungs. It's going to be about the bloodstream. Thank you, and goodbye.